I'm at Home Depot now, and they have vegetables here also, but you can look at the price. They're $1.89 for all the vegetables here, the different brand, but the cost is a lot more, and I hardly think that the quality is going to be that much better. And it's basically the same varieties, although they do seem to have a larger variety here than they do at the Dollar Tree. But for the basic stuff, it's probably best to go to the Dollar Tree and get your stuff to pull from Home Depot. $1.49 here is opposed to 4 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And some of the stuff is pretty much the same. And even if you say that there are a small amount of seeds, the ones at the Dollar Tree than the ones here, is gonna need to be at least 6 times as much for it to come out. And I don't think it's gonna happen. And they have the flowers here, different types, but the flowers here are $3.97, and they're $1 at the Dollar Tree for a larger mix of the flowers. $1.49 for some of the stuff. The price is just a lot higher here. Marigolds are $1.89. You get a larger package of marigolds and wildflower mixes at the Dollar Tree than you do here at Home Depot. Interesting thing you get here at Home Depot are the seed tapes, which are good. You get you got the beets and the lettuce and radish and many other different types. They're good. The price of $3.97 is not bad for what you get. It makes it a lot easier to plant them. You don't have to worry about having dexterity to do them. And then you get more seeds. One thing I do like here, you don't find the Dollar Tree, you find for example, you find onion sets, and those are 100 for $3.98. You find seed potatoes, those are Yukon Gold right there, 10 per pack for $3.98. And you got a mixed blend of seed potatoes, red, white, and blue. And they all $3.98 a piece. Different types of onions, asparagus, rhubarb. Never tried planting rhubarb before. Strawberries, although I don't think the strawberry season in Louisiana right now. So garlic, $2.98, 3 per pack. Now I think I will try the garlic. I'm trying garlic, and I've also gotten some potatoes. And I'm gonna go do some research on the grape plants before I buy them. I want to buy some grape plants, but I'm not sure this is the right time of year to plant them yet. So I'm gonna do some research, and I may come out and buy them. So, but I've gotten the garlic. I've gotten some red New Orleans potatoes, some Yukon Gold potatoes, and some red, white, and blue blend seed potatoes, in addition to the garlic. So that's my shopping here at Home Depot right now. Thank you.